We need to straighten up the thoracic spine, straighten up the cervical spine, and get the head back to where it can be. But we have to loosen up all these muscles back here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this ball, and we're going to place it right here on the right side of our spine, right in the soft tissue, down on the ground. And we're going to start up at the top, get good pressure on it with your body, and reach them with a straight arm. Go straight over your head all the way down to the ground, and give 5 little bounces, and then all the way back down, all the way back. We're going to do that 10 times on that side, and then just move down just a little bit more, and do it again. You're going to do it in 6 different positions as you go. 10 times again there, move down, and continue down your back in 6 different positions, only moving about a 1/2 inch to an inch each time. And then you're